How to change the Play Store region to Singapore. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the Play Store region to Singapore. First, open the App Store on your mobile device. Check if you can find the option to change the region here. If you don't see the option in the App Store, go back and open your mobile settings. Now, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the settings menu. This will bring up your account details. Here, tap on Media and Purchases to access the options related to your App Store account. After that, tap on View Account to see more settings related to your account. Now look for the option labeled Country or Region and tap on it. This will allow you to change your current region settings. Next, tap on Change Country or Region. This will open a list of countries you can switch to. Finally, scroll down the list and select Singapore as your new country. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the change and make sure to agree to the terms and conditions if required. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.